Top 5 vitamins to end your acid reflux suffering permanently. What is acid reflux? Acid reflux, often referred to as heartburn or gerd, is a prevalent condition characterized by a burning sensation in the chest, difficulty in digesting food, chronic sore throat, and discomfort, particularly when lying down. The root cause lies in the malfunction of the lower esophageal sphincter, known as LES, a muscle valve between the stomach and the esophagus. Normally, the LES tightens to prevent stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus. However, in many individuals, this valve weakens, allowing stomach acids to regurgitate upwards, leading to symptoms like chest pain, throat irritation, sour taste, and difficulty swallowing. Studies indicate that acid reflux stems from an imbalance in stomach acid levels. Ideally, stomach acid should maintain a pH between 1 to 3, highly acidic to aid digestion. Yet, when the pH becomes more alkaline, 4+, the LES valve relaxes, facilitating acid reflux into the esophagus. If left untreated, acid reflux can result in ulcers, scarring, and even raise the risk of throat cancer. Despite common practice, relying on antacid drugs for temporary relief worsens the issue. While they may alleviate symptoms momentarily, antacids raise the stomach's pH, neutralizing vital stomach acid and worsening acid reflux over time. To address acid reflux permanently, it's crucial to restore the stomach's normal pH balance. In today's video, we'll delve into 5 essential vitamins that can assist in achieving this goal and effectively mitigate acid reflux symptoms. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is a natural remedy for acid reflux, offering quick relief from the discomfort, especially when it disturbs sleep. Its phenolic compounds soothe the irritated tissues in the esophagus and stomach, reducing inflammation caused by excess acid. Ginger has been a staple remedy for gastrointestinal issues for thousands of years, with its anti-inflammatory properties well documented. Research shows that consuming ginger before meals can reduce acid reflux symptoms by up to 40%. It relaxes stomach muscles, encourages mucus production to buffer acid, and inhibits the growth of bacteria linked to worsening GERD symptoms. Moreover, ginger aids digestion by stimulating saliva production and promoting stomach emptying, which reduces pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, preventing reflux. Whether consumed as fresh root, powdered capsules, or incorporated into meals and drinks, ginger offers versatile relief. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities further benefit gut health. Capsules with dried ginger powder are an option, but chewing on fresh ginger root or adding it to salads, stir-fries, and smoothies provides a more natural remedy. Number 2. Probiotics. Probiotics, residing primarily in the large intestine, aid in food digestion and produce neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, influencing the gut-brain axis. These beneficial microbes stimulate nerves, regulating the LES valve's function, crucial for preventing acid reflux. Maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria helps ward off acid reflux, indigestion, ulcers, gastritis, IBS, SIBO, and autoimmune diseases. However, factors like antibiotic use, medications, artificial sweeteners, and unhealthy diets often deplete friendly bacteria, exacerbating acid reflux. To address this, incorporate fermented foods such as kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and pickles into your diet. These foods are rich in probiotics, promoting digestive healing and overall well-being. Additionally, liquid probiotic supplements can be consumed with water to swiftly enhance your microbiome. Probiotics act as superheroes for the digestive system, maintaining a healthy gut flora balance that positively impacts systemic health. They contribute not only to digestion but also to brain health by producing neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, crucial for various bodily functions. By mitigating acid reflux and improving overall health, probiotics play a vital role. Avoiding antibiotics, medications, artificial sweeteners, and unhealthy foods is essential to preserve beneficial gut bacteria. Embracing fermented foods and probiotic supplements fosters digestive health and supports general well-being. Understanding the significance of probiotics and adopting lifestyle adjustments can significantly reduce acid reflux and enhance overall health permanently. Number 3. Betaine HCL. Betaine HCl with pepsin is a highly effective supplement for addressing acid reflux at its source. By acidifying the stomach's pH, 2 to 4 capsules of 1,300 mg Betaine HCl before meals can optimize digestion, tighten the LES valve, and reduce reflux symptoms. Gradually increasing the dosage over 2 to 3 days until relief is felt is recommended. This combination has been utilized since the 1960s, possibly even by ancient Egyptians, for its therapeutic benefits in alleviating indigestion and heartburn. Research supports its efficacy in reducing acid reflux symptoms by aiding in the breakdown of proteins and other food components, preventing undigested food from backing up into the esophagus. Particularly beneficial for those with low stomach acid levels or gastrointestinal disorders, Betaine HCL with pepsin promotes better digestion and absorption, restoring normal digestive function over time. However, consulting a doctor before starting any new supplement regimen is crucial for ensuring safety and efficacy. By incorporating Betaine HCL with pepsin into your routine under medical supervision, you can effectively manage and potentially overcome acid reflux symptoms for good. Number 4. Zinc L-Carnosine. Zinc L-Carnosine is a compound developed by the Japanese over 30 years ago to treat stomach ulcers and various digestive issues. It combines zinc, an essential mineral for tissue healing, with L-Carnosine, an amino acid. This combination has shown promise in relieving symptoms of acid reflux by reducing inflammation and protecting the gastrointestinal lining from stomach acids. It aids in healing ulcers, inflammation, and damage in the stomach, intestines, and food pipe by restoring the protective mucus barrier in the digestive system. Additionally, zinc helps prevent the overgrowth of harmful microbes like H. pylori in the stomach. In addition to your diet, you can supplement with 75 mg of zinc L-Carnosine daily. It can also be obtained from dietary sources such as shellfish, grass-fed red meat, and pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are especially beneficial as they provide a significant portion of daily zinc and magnesium requirements. Research spanning over 20 years, particularly in Japan, has highlighted the effectiveness of zinc carnosine in supporting gastrointestinal health. Its unique structure ensures a localized concentration in the stomach, aiding in prolonged benefits without interfering with normal digestive processes or nutrient absorption. This makes zinc carnosine a promising option for improving digestive health. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is renowned as a natural remedy for indigestion, heartburn, and digestive issues. By mixing 1 tablespoon of organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with water and drinking it before meals, you can harness its acetic acid content to rebalance stomach pH, enhance digestion, and mitigate acid reflux and GERD. Acetic acid, a type of short-chain fatty acid, SCFA, not only aids in colon cell energy but also facilitates food digestion and nutrient absorption. Research demonstrates its ability to inhibit harmful microorganisms, reduce inflammation, aid in weight loss, and regulate blood sugar levels. Despite its lack of vitamins and minerals, organic versions may contain beneficial plant protein strands and antioxidant enzymes. Apple cider vinegar serves as a potent source of probiotics, beneficial for intestinal regulation and alleviating digestive discomfort. For those with severely inflamed throat or food pipe, consuming 2 to 3 apple cider vinegar capsules before meals provides a simpler alternative. Adjusting stomach pH levels through apple cider vinegar consumption offers a straightforward and effective means of managing acid reflux symptoms. Understanding the root causes of acid reflux is crucial for effective management. 6 key factors contribute to this condition. 1. Chloride and potassium deficiency. Insufficient levels of chlorides and potassium hinder the production of healthy stomach acid. 2. Stress. High stress levels deactivate the digestive system, keeping the LES valve open and allowing acid to flow back up. 3. Antacid medications. Common antacids neutralize stomach acid, worsening reflux over time. 4. H. pylori infection. Stomach lining damage can lead to infection by Helicobacter pylori, reducing stomach acid levels. 5. Grains and vegetable oils. Consumption of refined grains, gluten, sugar, and inflammatory oils irritate the stomach lining. 6. Antibiotics and painkillers. History of antibiotic and painkiller use damages the gut lining and disrupts friendly bacteria, leading to reflux. Additionally, malfunctioning of the LES valve allows stomach acid to regurgitate into the esophagus, causing discomfort and potential long-term health issues, including ulcers and even throat cancer. While antacids offer temporary relief, they can exacerbate the problem by neutralizing essential stomach acid. To permanently stop acid reflux, it's crucial to make simple lifestyle changes. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you achieve that. 1. Restore digestion naturally. Avoid antacid drugs that neutralize stomach acid. Instead, try Betaine HCL or apple cider vinegar before meals to restore digestion and prevent reflux. These remedies also help in closing the valve that causes acid reflux and maintain a balanced pH level for better nutrient absorption. 2. Embrace cabbage and whole foods. Incorporate raw, shredded cabbage in your daily diet as it is rich in glutamine, chlorophyll, and vitamin C, aiding in healing your stomach lining. Replace refined grains and vegetable oils with whole foods like pasture-raised eggs, wild fish, and steamed vegetables for better digestion and nutrient absorption. 3. Optimize salt intake and chew your food. Use Himalayan or Celtic sea salt to provide chlorides necessary for stomach acid production. Consume foods rich in potassium like avocados and leafy greens to support stomach acid production. Chew your food thoroughly to aid in digestion. 4. Hydrate and reduce stress. Drink carbonated mineral water in the morning to hydrate your digestive tract and strengthen stomach pH. Minimize tea and coffee consumption until reflux symptoms improve. Manage stress through relaxation techniques like walking in nature and consuming probiotic-rich foods to support digestive health. 5. Maintain healthy weight and self-care practices. Maintain a healthy weight through balanced diet and regular exercise to prevent excess pressure on the stomach. Avoid eating close to bedtime and sleep with your head elevated to prevent acid reflux. Practice self-care activities such as meditation and spending time outdoors to reduce stress levels, which can exacerbate reflux symptoms. By implementing these lifestyle changes and consulting your doctor, you can effectively manage and potentially eliminate acid reflux and GERD, leading to improved overall digestive health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay healthy, stay informed. See you in the next video.